Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So Apple just dropped iOS 26 and everyone excited to try it out. But here's the problem. A lot of people are saying update isn't even showing up to their iPhone. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you exactly why this happened and step-by-step fixes to solve it. Alright, let's it simple. The update might not be showing because your iPhone model doesn't support to iOS 26, weak Wi-Fi connection, wrong data time settings, or just a random glitch. So let's get started the video. Solution 1. Check compatibility. First thing, make sure your iPhone actually supports iOS 26. If it's too old, the update won't show up at all. Solution 2. Restart your iPhone. This one's easy but effective. Press and hold the power button and the volume up button together. Drag the slider to power off. Wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on. Solution 3. Check Wi-Fi. Make sure you are connected to a strong and stable Wi-Fi network. If your Wi-Fi is weak, the update will just hang. Try restarting your router or even switching to another network if possible. Solution 4. Check date and time settings. Go to Settings app. Tap on General. Then scroll down and tap on Date and Time. Turn on Set automatically. If your time is wrong, it can actually block updates. Solution 5. Reset all settings. If nothing's worked, try resetting all settings. Go to Settings app. Then tap on General. Scroll all the way down. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Tap Reset all settings. Enter your iPhone's passcode. And again tap on Reset to confirm your action. Don't worry, this won't delete your data, but it will reset things like Wi-Fi password and settings. Solution 6. Update with a computer. On a Mac, open Finder, or on Windows, use iTunes. From there, you can manually check for updates and install iOS 26. And that's it. Those are all the fixes if iOS 26 isn't showing up on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorial and iPhone tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.